Meanwhile, ahead of the Hyderabad civic elections that are coming up very shortly, TRS chief and Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has announced that he plans to form a front against the Narendra Modi-led central government. The Chief Minister of Telangana said that he would hold a meeting with leaders of the country's main opposition parties in Hyderabad in the second week of December. According to KCR, the agenda of this meeting will be the anti-people policies of the Modi government at the centre. He alleged that the Modi government has done nothing for the country in the past 6.5 years and pushed the country backwards. The BJP, meanwhile, has hit back at the Chief Minister of Telangana, claiming he is insecure and shaken with the imminent possibility of the BJP's rise across Telangana and the party's prospects of winning a majority of seats in the Greater Hyderabad municipality elections. The party said that it does not feel threatened by these dummy rounds being fired by KCR in regular intervals.
BJP has done nothing for Hyderabad. In the last 6 years, TRS government has spent thousands of crores of rupees in the development of Hyderabad, whereas BJP has done literally nothing, not even for corona crisis, not even for the recent floods that Hyderabad had. Instead of helping our people, they are in fact stalling the government to help people. Till yesterday afternoon, our government was distributing 10,000 rupees for the flood-affected families. BJP and Congress both complained and made sure that that was stopped. I mean, if they can't do anything, when the state government is doing something, it is their minimum responsibility to be supportive of the state government. They're not doing that. People of Hyderabad know and understand that fact, and I'm sure in these elections, people of Hyderabad will stand with TRS party.
Ashish with me live from Hyderabad. Ashish, temperatures rising between the TRS and the BJP. Big meeting coming up in the second week of December as well. And you've got, very strong personalities who are now at each other's throats. KCR, his daughter on the one side, the BJP locally speaking, as well as Team Modi on the other.
Yes, Shiv, you are absolutely right. And yes, temperature is hot and getting hotter in Hyderabad. Political temperature also, because December 1st is when Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation will go for polls, and December 4 will be the counting. And ahead of that, KCR, the Chief Minister of Telangana, the Telangana Rashtra Samiti President, he held a meeting with his parliamentarians, with his MLAs, with his MLCs, and there he announced that he'll launch a federal front. He will propose a federal front against Bharatiya Janata Party and Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government, and he in fact called them anti-poor, anti-people. He criticized Narendra Modi for disinvesting several public sector units. He criticized the Bharatiya Janata Party government for mishandling or mismanaging the financial situation or economy of the country. On the very other hand, Bharatiya Janata Party has sent its National General Secretary Bhupendra Yadav. Remember, Bhupendra Yadav has just secured a victory of BJP in Bihar. Apart from Bhupendra Yadav, Bharatiya Janata Party national leadership has also sent Ashish Shelar from Maharashtra, its General Secretary from Gujarat, and Minister from Karnataka to manage local body polls here in Hyderabad. So clearly, BJP is putting its all effort to win GHMC election. On the very other hand, TRS is going to challenge Modi nationally. Shiv.
Thanks, Ashish. Very interesting times in Telangana. We're going to keep a very close watch of what's going on there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.